Very unfortunate, narrow-minded people in the companies. They're always going to think, Hammaya, I learned the key concept. I should not tell to anyone. I should not tell to anyone. My position is always safe like that. If he is feeling like this, then he never going to think about next position.
Yes, sir.
Getting it, Kodalo?
Yeah, got it.
So, don't keep the people, especially the software people, don't keep such a type of thing. So, sometimes what will happen is, now observe my mentality. There is some knowledge I require. There is a person there who has that knowledge. I will approach. Can you please delegate this knowledge? Because can you please explain that? What is the way we require to do that like that? Some people, happily they are going to explain. Some people, no, later, tomorrow I will explain that, today the busy. Okay, tomorrow whenever I'm asking, no, just 2 days please give that time so that I will explain. After 2 days, actually, I didn't do that. My ex-person did, some other person did. Okay, just I'm using like he's going to tell. Okay, who is that person? That person is not accessible. That person is not having the phone. Like, from these words, clear indication that he is not willing to share his knowledge. Correct, right?
Yeah, I saw so many people, sir.
Yes, he is not willing to share his knowledge. Then my answer for them is, my answer is very strong. Very strong answer. My answer for them is, believe me, definitely I'm going to get that knowledge. There is no doubt at all. More than you, more than yourself, whatever you have, more than that I'm going to get the knowledge. But if I'm getting from you, I have gratitude on you. I will show gratitude on you. But if I'm not getting, no problem at all. Some way, definitely I'm going to get that knowledge, because until getting that, I won't sleep. Like, I will give left and right. And after learning completely, you know up to X only. I know X plus Y also. Do you want me to explain Y concept? Please come. I will explain Y concept. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
That's about that. So, I'm usually, my common dialogue there is, yes, I use multiple times this type of thing. You are not willing to explain, it's very clear. It's very clear. If I'm getting that knowledge through you, then I will have lifetime gratitude on you, because that day you shared some 4 points, 5 points like. If you are not sharing, no problem, but some way I'm going to get that knowledge. Because I decided already to learn that. More than you. Once I learn more than you, I will update you. These are the extra things you don't know. Please come. I will explain. Like, definitely I will show for you. Okay, some more extra knowledge I will share with you. Like, so don't stop sunlight by keeping your hand. It is impossible. This is the dialogue, common dialogue. Telugulo aithe adbhutanga chepta. Archeti antam petti palm. Okay, by keeping this archeti palm. Okay, don't try to stop. Okay, sunlight. It's a too stupid, narrow kind of mentality. Okay, directly on his face, I'm going to tell, yes, I will get the knowledge. Definitely I will approach that person. Please come. You are my best friend. Please come. These extra things are also better to learn, so that it's going to be helpful for you. Observe the difference. Evvado స్థాయం కాదు. Okay, no one is the creator in this world. Everyone copied somewhere. Everyone copied somewhere. Okay, from this resource, if we are not getting, from other resource we are going to get. What is the problem? But we should have, yes, I should compulsory learn. That feeling I should have. Then obviously somewhere I will get. What is the problem? Remember. So, So if don't just don't try to hold. Don't try to hold the things. If you are trying to hold the things, your knowledge is going to become rust. Nothing, there is no use at all. Okay, and your companies also never going to tell, never going to hold such a type of thing. If it is required, happily you can delegate and learn the new things and better to improve your level. If I don't want to publish in the YouTube. I want to run my lifetime with only CoreJava. My position is always there only. I don't know, then I can't move this much level. Improve. Whatever. Name any subject. You can name any subject. I'm in a position to handle. You can name Greek and Latin. Or AI, agentic AI. Or otherwise tomorrow some XYZ. Anything I can handle. We should have such a type of what we call level. Okay, only one subject I learn. With that only my lifetime is going to be get on. No such type of things.